Captain Jacob Latch from the Pascagoula Fire Department passed away this week due to cancer. Jacob had been with the department for 16 years, and his dedication, his commitment to his community impacted everybody around him. His fellow firefighters describe him more than just as a firefighter. He was a good man. He was a good husband and a great father. He poured his life into his community and his family and did everything he could to ensure that they had what they needed and that they were safe. He leaves behind his wife, Katie, of 13 years, and their children, Avery, Ollie, and Finley. Jacob also organized the local Tunnel to Towers run in his community and brought attention to that great foundation. I want to express my condolences to Katie, to the children, and everybody who knew and loved Jacob. He's a great man, and his legacy will live on in the hearts and minds of those who knew him and were impacted by his work for a lifetime. His family and his department have set up a GoFundMe page, and I'll link to it at the bottom of this video. And I'd encourage you to visit it and donate if you're able. Jacob served his community. The impact resonated across our country, and I hope we can do our part to serve his family. I want to dedicate this song in honor of Jacob for his service to his community and the example he made for his children. Jacob, this one's for you. May God bless you all.